नमस्कार, आप सबका स्वागत है यहाँ पर। आई ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ कंपनी वेलकम यू ऑल हियर। आप आज वर्किंग डे पे इतना समय निकाल के हमारे लिए यहाँ पर आए। आई एम वेरी मच थैंकफुल टू यू ऑल। अभी तक की हमारी कंपनी की जो शुरुआत हुई है 35 साल पहले, when we have started 35 years back. Earlier it was in the year 1983 we have started. It was at that time Lodha and Sanghvi group of companies. Earlier we have worked with them for 10 years. From 83 to 93 plus 2 years, 95 we have worked as a Lodha and Sanghvi group of companies. After that it was Sanghvi group of companies. Now we are, taking one step ahead. We are considering it as one more step ahead legacy of Sanghvi Group as a Sanghvi Parshva group of companies.
Trust. This company has completed projects on time. It has been investor friendly. It has been a family run business, which means that it has been, its people have been visible and they are constantly interfacing with the home buyers. Now, Ramesh Sanghvi takes this legacy of trust, and yes, he will build on it and continuously fortify this trust. Sanghvi Pashwa Group aims at being a corporate entity having deep-rooted values in its social responsibilities. All our designs, all our schemes are based, which are done by all our professional consultants who are amongst us out here. They reflect the same social values and also create communities, because people live in communities. Our home.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, organizers, for inviting me. First, you must be thinking why I'm not. There are many invitations which are coming from all other organizations and interview felicitations, and I'm denying it. And I want to give this answer to it in this forum. I get an opportunity to give this answer in this forum. How many of you, when both spouses are not working in one organization or in one what you call job profile, and they share everything, whatever they comes, if doctor is working and the other one is some engineer, do you share whatever you do in hospital, at home, or you share personal things? No, na. The same thing, when my husband was in Indian Army for 17 years, I was not an officer. I was a different professional altogether. And now, when I have entered in Indian Army, I'm just like a newborn. So, I didn't know anything. The very first day, I remember first week, whenever there used to, dark used to come, letters used to come, I didn't know where to start reading this much big and how I will finish it off. This is my learning phase. This is at least another 3-4 years will be my learning phase as an officer, for which I have done so much of hard work and entered into this uniform. I don't want to wear this uniform just for the sake of wearing it. I want to learn things for which I have wear this uniform. So all those media people who are asking me for interview, felicitations, it's my request. I have only 24 hours in a day. If I will go on for interviews, felicitations, when will I learn these things for which I'm wearing this uniform? When will I get opportunity to learn this? So outside somebody was asking me कि इसके बाद हमारे पास छोटा कुछ इंटरव्यू के लिए आ जाओ. मैंने कहा wait, I will give answer to it in open forum so that everybody should aware that I need some time to learn things. My husband was an officer, I am not. And this is my learning phase. I don't want to miss that phase of knowing things, how to be a good officer. Second thing, at the same time, I'm a single mother. So I have to look after kids also, their homework, their classes. My son wants to go for dance and music class. I have to search for it. I have to look after him. So I have only 24 hours a day. So it's my request, if you see me here, so next time आप वहाँ गए थे, हमारे पास भी एक छोटा सा बाइट देने के लिए आ जाओ. After 14 years, this is my short service commission. I am going to be a short service commission officer. I am a short service commission officer, 14 years of service. Once I retired, I have ample of time to do social activities. And it's my promise, 6 months already over, 13 and a half year, I will be available to motivate people, give inspiration to people, and whatever social activities which I can do. So I thought, okay, this can be my first reason.
अलग से वक्त रखा है, आप लोग निश्चिंत रहिए। तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि सांघवी पारस ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज का जो लोगो है वो है शतरंज के बादशाह के रूप में। मगर ये वो बादशाह नहीं जो प्रजा पर राज करता है, ये वो बादशाह नहीं जो प्रजा पे राज करता है, ये वो है जो दिलों पर राज करता है, और वो है उनकी सेवा करके। एक तरीका ये भी होता है कि आप सेवा करते हैं और दिलों पर राज करते हैं, और यही इस ग्रुप का मकसद है। साथ ही सुष्मिता जी, कल 1:30 बजे तक मैं जगा रहा, मैंने कहा कुछ तो लिखना है आपके लिए वरना तौहीन होगी। सो दिस इज दैट आई रोट फॉर यू। तू चांद सी है मगर तेरा नूर चांद से नहीं। तू मैं सिर्फ अपनेपन के लिए कह रहा हूं, वरना आप कहूंगा मैं। तू चांद सी है मगर तेरा नूर चांद से नहीं, तेरी बुलंदी मिट्टी से है मगरूर आसमान से नहीं। तेरे चर्चे महज महफिलों की नहीं शान, तेरे चर्चे महज महफिलों की नहीं शान, तेरे किस्से फूंक रहे जर्द हौसलों में जान। तेरे किस्से फूंक रहे जर्द यानी पेल पड़ जाना, कमजोर पड़ जाना, तेरे किस्से फूंक रहे जर्द हौसलों में जान। तेरे चेहरे का नूर तेरी रूह का जमाल है, मतलब उसकी ब्यूटी है। तेरे चेहरे का नूर तेरी रूह का जमाल है, तू औरत की शक्ल में कमाल ही कमाल है। थैंक यू सो मच। जब आप जाएं तो मुझे वापस कहना हाथ देने के लिए। खुशबू, मतलब आई कैन स्टिल स्मेल योर परफ्यूम, इट्स रियली नाइस। Anyways, thank you so much. Would you like to say something about the group or the company?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ज़हीर नसीब, छा गए आप।
Thank you so much.
क्या खुद लिखा है सच्ची में?
जी मैं खुद रोज़ लिखता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं आरजे हूँ। थोड़ी सी मेरी यही तारीफ है कि मैं एक आरजे हूँ और रोज़ पोइट्री लिखनी पड़ती है मुझे, वरना मैं अपना पेट नहीं भर पाऊँगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
बहुत बहुत खूबसूरत लिखते हैं आप।
अच्छा, इससे पहले सॉरी मैं आपको कट कर रहा हूँ, बट वी हैव AV ऑल्सो।
हाँ,
लेट्स गो थ्रू द AV एंड देन आपको फुर्सत से इत्मीनान।
Ma'am, I just want to give a gratitude for you. When I lost Santosh, definitely whenever you lost someone who love, there will be a big gap in you. And same way, I used to feel bad whenever I used to see officers with their kids, going for cycling, going for swimming, whether any place, I used to feel bad. And I used to feel that how will I bring my both the kids as a single parent, single mother. And one fine day, I was just sitting on my bedroom and watching TV, just switching the channels, and there was Main Hoon Na movie. And I have just seen you. And that movie, when it started, when it ended, I didn't know. I was just thinking about you. I was just thinking, if you can upbring two girls, your daughters, as a single mother, why can't I? So this was, if people say that I'm inspiration for them, you can find as a mother, she is my inspiration. And I always wanted to give gratitude for that reason. And that day, I feel very great about you. And I'm just here. Thank you so much, ma'am.
और
Members of the press, the loudest presence in the room always, and very, very dear to me. It's a huge honor for me on many levels to be here this afternoon. Thank you very much to the entire family of the Sanghvi Group sitting here on the dais. 3 generations of the Sanghvi family who thought of me to come and unveil their newest logo of a company that they have held firmly and in great belief together for 35 long celebrated years. Thank you very much for having me. उन्होंने जब मुझसे कहा कि they're launching their CSR initiative for the very first time in 35 years, and they're beginning with a cause that is very dear to a lot of us. For all the women who believe in a future to be bright and beautiful and hopeful, and for men who want and wish that for their daughters, and for women at large in the social structure that we live in. हमारे लिए ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि मैं आपको एक छोटी सी कहानी सुनाऊंगी जो मेरे लिए बहुत एक बचपन की याद है, जिसे I cherish a lot and that has relevance today. My father served the Indian Air Force as Wing Commander Subir Sen, retired now, for 26 years before taking a premature retirement. उस दौरान मैं इंडिया के कई छोटे छोटे शहरों में पड़ी बली हुई हूँ. I've been to जोरहाट, नागपुर, शिलोंग, दार्जिलिंग, जहाँ जहाँ पापा की पोस्टिंग होती थी हर 3 साल में हम लोग वहाँ जाते थे. गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में पढ़ी हूँ क्योंकि वही स्कूल मिलते थे हर जगह, तो केंद्र विद्यालय में ज़्यादातर पढ़ाई हुई है मेरी. जब हमारे देश में ये नियम शुरू हुआ कि जैसे आप कह रही थी अबाउट द नेशनल एंथम, हमारे थिएटर्स में उस वक्त नेशनल एंथम नहीं बजाए जाते थे फिल्म से पहले. लेकिन मैं जिस घर में और जिस अपब्रिंगिंग में बड़ी हुई हूँ, वहाँ पर नेशनल एंथम चाहे अपने देश का हो या किसी और देश का हो, जो अपनी माँ की इज्जत करते हैं वो औरों की माँ की भी इज्जत करते हैं. We were made to stand up. Savdhan. No fidgeting, no nothing, because this is how you recognize the pride you have in your country. So, defense background हमें बचपन से ये सिखाते हुए आया है कि हमारी सबसे बड़ी पहचान हमारा देश है. फिर आपका लास्ट नेम क्या है, कौन से शहर में पैदा हुए, बैकग्राउंड क्या है, आपके पास क्या नहीं क्या है, ये सब बहुत बहुत बात की बात है. So I grew up in that family. उस दौरान हम एयरफोर्स कैंप्स में रहते थे. आपको पता होगा बहुत बड़े बड़े कैंप्स होते हैं जो कि अब आपको पता चलेगा इवन फॉर ऑल डिफेंस सर्विसेज, नेवल, एयरफोर्स, आर्मी, ऑल ऑफ देम हैव इट. तो वहाँ पे हर कोई अंकल आंटी थे, मिस्टर एंड मिसेस कोई नहीं था. तो हमसे ये कहा जाता था बचपन में कि जब आप इस गेट से बाहर जाएंगे तो बाहर सिविलियंस रहते हैं, जैसे ये कुछ अलग ही है बाहर, और इस गेट के अंदर आर ऑल ऑफिसर्स एंड देयर फैमिलीज, और हम सब बहुत सेफ हैं. आज इस फंक्शन पर आकर मुझे बहुत गर्व है कि जिसे हम सिविलियंस कहते थे गेट के बाहर, वो लोग डिफेंस फोर्सेस के लिए इतना बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं. वेरी नाइस सर. It is my honor and my privilege to introduce the most inspiring lady, a lady who said such lovely things about me just now, but I'll tell her why she's a far greater inspiration. Yes, I'm talking about Lieutenant, I love saying it, Swati Mahadik, who's with us today. There's the love of your country, there's the love of your man. There is so much romance in that. There's the love of your children. There's the love of your own self. What makes me so proud of her, that she embodies all of it. हर किसी की लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं there is a sense of loss. We all face it. But some of that loss takes away from us. And sometimes a loss makes us 100 times more powerful version of ourselves. Can you imagine? She decided to join the army at the age of 37. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing. She lost her husband, also a colonel in the in army, fighting the terrorists in Kashmir. She has 2 children, and if I pronounce their names wrong, you have to teach me. Kartiki, yes? How am I doing? Swaraj. Excellent. Young kids. When she talks about, oh, you're here. Hi. Say hi. Swaraj, khade ho jao. Turn around. Give him a huge round of applause. दोनों के नाम बहुत प्यारे हैं. And a celebrated officer of the Indian Army, her husband. What does she do? Her husband loved the uniform. He loved serving our country. She goes back to OTA, Officers Training Academy, puts in a grueling session of training, and comes back commissioned as an officer of the Indian Army. Ladies and gentlemen, not only did she do that all by herself, she talks about मैं अकेली माँ होकर 2 बच्चों को कैसे पालूंगी. वो उन्होंने तो बहुत ही आसान कर दिया. उन्होंने ना सिर्फ वो जिम्मेदारी ले ली, उन्होंने अपने देश की जिम्मेदारी ली. It's a very big thing, huge thing. You inspire me, lady. You inspire me. I am very, very privileged that I get to be on a dais like this, which celebrates patriotism. It celebrates honoring the defense forces, because that's where I come from. For me, this is very, very personal. It celebrates people who have large hearts. And sir, your 18 million square feet of space that you've given to people, I think aapka dil usse kahin zyada bada hai. And that is very important. You guys, keep this support coming towards the Defense Forces, towards the CSR initiative, wherein the Sanghvi Group is going to be educating 5 girls. Yes, this year alone, 5 girls to be educated via their foundation. And these are all kids coming from homes and families of martyred soldiers. This is spectacular, because through their caption, yes, it is, you should applaud it. Through their caption, they have mentioned, "Kya kar legi padke?" That has been the mindset of generations of people. Well, I'm going to simplify it. Pehle padha lijiye, phir dekh lijiyega kya kya kar sakti hai. Thank you very much, members of the press, all of you, for this wonderful honor. Thank you, Swati, for being such a fantastic example to women, to our country, to your 2 beautiful children. You should be very proud of your mother. She is a form of Durga. She's amazing. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful, wonderful talking to you.
Yeah.